ne present pas soin de social media na no kan e pa etu wi fo the Obasogie of Benin Kingdom. E life na e do ya pitanya we ya we gbegi aya boyen netu good or bad kawi aya we gbegi ba mo na. E video na yen wa en video ni ka go kwana wa en video ni ka na wa ya fe on good morning my people. Waya fe ye do ya wa en video na no wa go viral na re ijore no concerne mi ijore ko se vi no ya sun ijore of Paris o sun ijore of Paris o ma sun o redan already all have rest in peace to manongu emi ni ye do ya fe o na tamo manu pa ya gmo re ne giragmo I will rest in peace. Oma fija, I will rest in peace. Oma ba, I will rest in peace. Oma hu, I will rest in peace. Already, owo salubwa. No hiya George so ogo manu. Omo salubwa no George so ogo manu hiragmo. Oma no wu ne manu pa yagmo rene. Oma no la yagmo rene. No ya no la hubo no pa ne. Omo salubwa no George so ogo ya. Owo managmo vedi mabuweji. O George so ogo ya. O honi ya uvi ya ma uwe ma George. My people, a video na a video hits to anybody. A video re unda wa ma like oma. Ya wa you know ya kan e ma no consign. O consign again na no social media. No social media wa ya on eni no social media no ha yin pa na yin so video ni. Guys, is yours or how we rest in peace. No dossier mere social media ne e presenta ba we no ha yin pa ne. Ona imu video ni. Or him when if a picture ni jore post or him when the jore of Paris ha go post a picture ni or ma heke no post a picture ni because unless maybe to me a reason me no kan Obasogie of Benin Kingdom ira hi jore ogun ba awogun ba jore hin ve do sis awogun ba good morning my people sis awogun ba jore hin ve do or ma heke ni jore do ha we rest in peace to Omarokpa. E presenter ni won we social media magina il y a do ma ya hin e ma ta ma we na etinye Monica e video nu ni no concerne me e pa edugu yofo we be ya we gbege we for example na ga ira no bi we to atezin gbe ni aka mu kun ejo to ni o aka bere ye ni yen ka yo no heke ne family no matter what uke mu ene la dia e me no mu la dia e ti e me dan e bia do we e ne dan we na ya ta keke bege na ya ta o a problem e me no die la dia do ha we as zero hion ba what see ni jore now we rest in peace e me yo na wa o da my sister no ka about down ho e we na keke be no we because ya ta le gbe na nya ye gbe teme na o hian understand e keniri ebo Uba even nous me social media ni dans yo. E video ala social media ni e bun no dans ye social media. Different people ya ya hon with the mouths of different people. No, it's not hook up my brother. E video nous no concerne e picture ni jore post. Say we video ni se but. E video re igbovo. E video re owo mamoma. E wu. E runde e chief no hu. Oh, a chief no jegbeji or juwe ya we video ni runde to we mi we ne do Monica to we mi we ne do to we like e vie do gbe time do we orion gbe even me on analyze nu we understand we na o we e video nu ma badu to bad na do no we de geni ya visual keku de o se ya kahia ahe ohion ba ne ke do ausi oya abi nona do de yo to na huna o na do ausi oye e me no ka ke nu e Monica o we ijore on da many e no sunu do sinu before ke do ha we ake do ha we do ohion ba no ake do ha we ohion ba no na wa won nu gba be social media o ba tete mo no ba e pari ma ya fe mo no ba tete ayen ne gian o wi vi ma ya kin but susu wa we ohion ba e no e do ho ohion ba me no keke no wo my we ma oni ju nu yakan Ozoni because sia we okpolo se me ma understand the body wo but me no react no re na e yo ni me gwan kan ijore ke do aye mi no hian o ke do aye mi no hin nu wa ya fe ma ya fe mu social media be na ge mi ve na o ka me ma no o ka ma be onko o ka me anti o ka me ma no like o me e mani devorion and obiedzo ka ve no whether ohion ba o me laye di fact re go obiedzo ge eje no ge di obiedzo so o me right na ya wish ma rest in peace o ho na mi egwo ma ni sagwa pata o ho na mi egwo ma ni masagwa pata ona wish to o me right na ya wish ma we rest in peace e rest in peace e bo e rest in peace e ihe e rest in peace runda wi ma wo gbari yago na ti o my rest in peace and e daddy no metie no na ha my we e daddy oni o du we no na ti e daddy o he oni o da we Monica kakaboja jere inu ni yan we the social media na everything wey you don't do or Emmanuel Filukbegie amaye he wo hion ba o e bo mai ha wo hion ba kwin mai segbe stage ni but you no ran o abubuye na no ka bobege we a very few that is we heroic ken we hion ba we manage gbese you no ya yin twin or wike egbo e position ni jo regina wa ogwe agost so no na because e do ya petan wa matu agbogun ma akawe yin ni because who were when we do we video ni no ya ha man we maybe ya ni me ni anje ni jore make na do a confess magbon u bege ni amam yo ma no la dia no e jore since we bu wa bia na ya ngbe already e bo ya without respect no ma no already e bo ya without your no ma no ba already e bo ya without your no ma no fija already e bo ya we mi ko ma no hu na ya mo kai mi na do George magbon everybody know that one or one of ya ole gan no kwa safe ona sa ona regan emi no ija jegbeji no na hune o ma pa ro no ya mi kun ere ado George dead body o ga ri o sa baze gometi tag ewu o gba de ni gometi cancel sa ne e kin owo ma be e sin ne e that is e kin owo ma be you might do understand e case na no wa mu la dia social media na wa mi we ne Monica u like because of a view because of ego gwali wina very be wina my sister because ogwe we bungbe na so ezedema ima ndu to bo we reason na me so no me so do make sense no ogwe we bungbu supe ogwe we de no ma keke ya fa egbi ogwe we wa bungbe o ma no la dia no do ha we rest in peace the rest in peace ya ive mu the rest in peace ya ive demu what if a bad we rest in peace my daddy na my ege wo yati my daddy we do na e do ni mariage anybody no we no so man no so man e daddy ati e nia ari ma meti e daddy ni yo na ni like maybe anything what we yan daddy my ya wo ma aragmo inu e bo yan ti wish a good ragmo why ti wa sile bo ya fe no re a life no wa sile ya social media we every day no ya wishing ya happy birthday am I wo hu ni ona do a wish gbe ne e fake account opa do ha we o mama hu ne gba mu e la dia do we rest in peace we celebrate inu e bo set celebrate we never know we birthday millions of people do birthday even a family ni we kere we inu e know we birthday there ever know we birthday there are very many inu e bo set celebrate birthday o hiya bete me so do a o we dem no see en wa na ne nwa o saloba la wo no je nwa nu wa because wa ne nwa most of wa me nwa gbe wa gwa bet wa ne nwa de tu wa ya kun go bet wa afeko wa afeko igo ma gwa le na ya mi go e bo de no ma e rubbish and then get me ye be what saloba bi go and then get la dia dem no see en na gwa ye me na wa ona ga wu wa oh you mean man presenter me la dia do gwa ye gba me na e kan wa o but runde na me wado a message ni o give ye do here no because wo di oni we do ladian na ye do ya we ye do e me no wata na we so if ye do we no ta anybody no who ye do me right na ya answer we even any personal issue with you I don't want to have any personal issue with you but what obo reason ya wo ma ate ya akomi o ma no tie yo mo so e ma mo so hwani or at least on a ma when you were not by when you Rossi ma when you were Julie when you were a Peter mana when you were Joy when you already what here at when you no understand as far as when you see ne almost so anybody know when you were Eria magnonaji you understand Eria magnonaji okay mudiao we do highway Ijore ya na tia me umani agbajia when me am no dey you tell me family even if ebi ati e ni na to braro we ko enuta umani di nuta because so viso ma no gugu ne o ma no pa akpa ne aga to agbogyan ma gume so aka wa yin ne because ene ya no ware social media no bo we ya fe kedi what why the beginning what why the end of all this problem. What why the beginning? What why the end of all this problem? Is your relation don't have a daddy rest in peace? One year give me only me name rock bar. Oh my God! What when I do about how him ban? Oh him ban we wa muju nu wa ti jore na. Oh him bao. Say come my sister. Be very careful. Heroic. Yewe wo him ba. Heroic no we him no hwa. Nu we ajo we mana we us work jore because I twag boku him aka we imi ne. A message na when you worry no anything against you but oto am we gbegme so ato agbohioma akawa imi ne I don't understand they no ja because eni ni jore u nana ho hiom bania room be go of you no gie ogwa no ho a enya go declare jore hiom ba better who we my sister salo boy ye de no tan no ya fi we but you are not seeing it who beg and they not time or salo body when you have with you, but who I don't know why you are not saying it. You might not say we are not digging in a digging buwe, but you were digging. You might not say no me we do ya digging your body kinik buwe, but you were digging what he digging moya. Who walk by me right na ya gwan yogona, walk by me right na ya gwan yogenopa, walk by me right na ya togonona, walk by me right na ya togonona. Be very careful, my sister. And do ya beg problem waro we baby ti digging. Oh man, you are just a bini like us. Etema muhan we ni yana gu we gwa but e go wa he we immaterial thing this one jalo e ma ke do gu we gwa ba na ke we na tell me no keke e me no keke na atama we no ya fi we ba no we ya gbovu me iri oduhu la gogu e sister no ri oduhu be very careful sister no pa ne ipa ne yen suwa ne e sister no pa ne alu enwa agbo atu agbogun ma akawe yin ni atu agbogun ma akawe yin ni eyi me weni meta then okay presenters no ro ni ke okay mama vi ati ko na no regem ni ve mana mama e magije ni ere ko pa no ve do reply wa de yo ni on check bo mama mommy call like this u bege ave o me nie so no wa we social media na no get as be no ma work already. But I will just tell you in a very respectful way. That is, tell me no keke. I mean, me one notice we buwe wani hi. Tell me no keke. And ben man go bokba. Why again me magu we tare ga gwa George. You may don't understand. Wa ladian wa tell me no keke. Unwe go set it e gwa George because I don't really know. My only disrespect we bet who gwa ye me. Mundial eva ya ni ware donion wa onko we ma ya no ibaruwe palace oko hu wa ye yen wa he anybody no ware palace ne mama on checkable one of Germany e onko we ya wa he daddy we ya wa he we me no say awo ho ba ne rewe bo na wa kwede dem total me so no wa reason me so okwo ba no keke ni adole bo jive we bo ugbe so wa gwan ibia kai do anwon da we de na na bi ho ba na ye da we ho ba ne na he da we ma ne na he i ho ba na ti gwan de no keke. Why? What's in one video? Mama shake boy, Niki are social media now, me so ni na be zadia be here we na be here we. Anybody no here no man no wa we go ani e daddy we ya fe wa hin. Onko we ya fe gwa hin. Onko we baba we ya fe gwa hin. Eni ala dia be no keke no ya la dia me no keke no we dota. Even ni monica u no keke no we la dia dota. Okay, o ma we say you are just supposed to come out to work one come with now. And no ma we say ye do ya fe ogugwan. Uriye ozangi ye do. Wa ku na gwe shifi ve ni anagwan but okay daddy when we do any every time. My daddy. This is my daddy. E daddy me na hin. E daddy me we gugwan. You just make the OT person na as if work ba wa me daddy ya no regime ni na. nore doni mudia o devino se na mi wa so ne presenter no social media na me so we wano wata we egwa na nwa eken gwa ya ho me eken gwa ya ho me any small thing eken gwa ya ho me any small thing me ugwa gwa me na wa o me pa ne bi adan yo no de ugwa gwa da ti me wa no yin no boy me na nwa nia e da ti me wa no boy me na nwa e da ti me wa no wo se na me wu wana ni wa e ya de da ti ni ugwa gwa why dem no see dem no say na me wa man ni wa daddy if ya de daddy we mommy ni ugwa wa me poble emeni agaro to wa setita o wa ye hwe mu ma we ma ni ku gware e ma na ye ken ogwa no hwa ya hwe gi ya gwa gwa e disgrace wa ye ni mana because me ahu wa agun wa ni wata we e ken gwa mekwere e ken gwa ya hwe me o ye gwa me hin e ma ni na nwa ave daddy me no bet wa gwa gwa I don't know where most of you wa ya o gwa ni wa e presenter no ro me wata na e presenter si no ro no social media na ni ma ya jina who wa disgrace oma who wa ye hwe no ma who wa ye shame and disgrace re e wo copy ni una if ya do ami ma no no ri ye do we wara o wa ya wa me ami ma no no ri ye do o bi aro hu ye gwa lo ye do ni ye ma o ni ye ri ye do o hu aro hu ye ma o ni ye ri ye do o bi wo be ga kwere the who cop una ha me wa mu bini woman o hu ye gwa le bini woman wasi eni a o wa see what they are doing on social media. E kara to wasi na mi ma no ri ye do. Okay, dem no see ni wa na to bu wa wewe, wa mo do na wo wa mo bia na wo wa e ma ni me yo do. E ma ni me ri ohwo, in aroe, wa e boss no vie wo ya. O mi ama mi ho no we gberi yan la wa. Why anyway a guest no fear we am me no we gberi yan la wa no jian no respect yan because of we you be binige e who company me wa una most me ware o wa ye wo be o gwa lo ho better we yeri o ye do e kara to wase e the social media why ma dolu yin eji the social media say na me ma no na eri o ye do no we ye gwa wa gwa unu why wa do ve se dian wa atale rubbish me no la ta unu why rubbish ya o bi ala jan wi gwa lo ye do o ho ala jan wi gwa lo ye do unyi mu wase e the social media o se dey na reject ma e tinya gele reject ma because of wetin ya gele masema already if ye do adio ya la wodo ya gele di eja ni ji me ya la wera ne ti to dey o ye jo me pa wa ni re o bia no ye gbo wo ya o me o bia no ye gbo momo ya o me no va e bo kwa e va no ye je ti to dey ya wo gba se boy se gbogbo re but a reputation wa do ye ni ma the social media is very bad. A reputation what you name social media, Emma. Okay, the jour retire where rest in peace. There un day a care igbofonu we ni jore. Boy wa ogwebu we. There igbofonu we ni boy ga ogwebu wa ni we na me we na be kan chief. Anything no can go dem no so we na ye gbe we awate go we do ban ya wo we a recognition man go alo o go le view but wo ye gbe ya go le view say gbe ya we ya go alo e pili eke ya fe ya go alo e u ye bada bu fie bada bi fi we u lu egbe we ya all your body e vein no ro we gbe ini an ro egbe ya fe ya go le view u je gbe woro no ro to e do ni ya fe ba bu go le recognition be social media. Why are you behaving like that? Wo sha we je video Bonjour, ya jeverio. Okay, do o malaki jore. Una valeria me go ke runde no na o hion ba. O se no na do we rest in peace. E na yake mi rest in peace. Ado bo mi ge bo wi ha wo hion ba ni no. E gida dey wish am no like rest in peace. Hisha. Why na? Wo so na jeve yana? E gida dey anybody no he like say ni ano eti ha we. E shifi no we gwa anybody. No we rest in peace. Wo se ana mi wi mana ye ken gwa ya hwe. Mano wae na ye kimbe ya hwe mana na ye kezieke e kenke kan wo to edo ya hwe ne me wa ropa bu wegwa ne no ma relate to other shifi ropa mane normal people marere enwi na so huwa ni me e ave dadi ya wegwa oni ontani mere do no wae wo hwe na wae sowo dem no say na wa mi we mana ma je ken gwa ya hwe mana ye kimbe ya hwe mane on ma kekan Manene daddy we mommy ya wegwe. Mane normal people no ma ema ropa wegwe. What say na umi we mana or reason so one in other daddy we mommy we so in our social media say e mommy e daddy yen wa no e rere magba no pa no se wo gwa na wa hwe yen ken gwa ya hwe yen e ken gwa na ovi gwa no hwa yen wa hin ovi ba o ken wa gwa ni e me what gba the social media as a presenter e me what have social media gba as a presenter ugbe so ma atota ye da wa ni ye da me wa wa gwa for one na wa e me wata wa asan yo san me wa da no wa ja da ho wa getin ho wa getin e mo pa wata ro pa no la we why iri ye hwegi ma why iri ye hwegi ma wa ja nwina wa gwale to wa sire ba nwina ye me gwale nwina ye ba nwina o ma mi mani di no gboko gi wu ya no no tag no na ke mi ho o mani di no o yare no wa de yo to ni na we ni ye recipe si ye ya re we bu na egbo ya re we bu na wa ma ginya e were wa de je e de body ya mi go the YouTube ya mi in a different place eri wa je a eri wa je a okay, rest in peace no matter. I say no wasi okwo with social media. My daddy aka he ogun bane. Be very careful, my sister. When o warwe jore here na he ogun bane he brugede wo mu gege ya rwe jore fidin. Be very careful. He like we ko ogun ba. Twanke he we go ogun ba hu we twanke something every day you are working close to becoming ogun ba. A message may just an advice. Don't take it too personal. I get brushy with every but you are becoming Ohyomba. You are working towards it every day. We are sikoe. Usikoe de here. Usikoe de here. And every little step you make every day is taking you closer to becoming Ohyomba by the day. I know where it's the worst to say. Abiyuma as for Ohyomba can wear in. Be very careful. Okay, a problem. You want to be the beginner. You want to be the beginner of everything. Never ya how yes in was one. But any no is nonsense. It's rubbish. It make sense. It's rubbish. I mean, no mama. It's nonsense. I don't understand. How we just we blogger no soon. You want to start it, you go and just be talking nonsense. My sister, where give you your momo now? Where give you where give you where young money? When if we go to Gualo, why resort to get where you go ya or don't know where you every time? If you dey talk to person call name, you never say hear wetin I talk since. I said that Monica now dey talk. Wetin is Jore talk? Wetin is Jore talk? Rest in peace. Oma say na gboma ba. Rest in peace, daddy. Oma say na gboma ba. Daddy, he say where ka okay, nu where ka social media na nu where ka we me ya fair anywhere with social media na. Or anybody nu where tie daddy there. Many those people can be held responsible for any ya nu ewu. But you lad dia una ini ayo huwe. E mani riye, e mani ma be riye nya ni ekwere. Alright, it's okay. Maybe after again, and let people leave you alone. But why are you always becoming a problem on social media? Why go a problem every time? You always want to go and carry problem to meet him and you go wa. Almost to ya more problem and you go wa. Okay, we're getting here. Obviously, nobody will no repetition you. Uja more problem ya move ai. Any ya no mi any ya na o mi unuta. But any ya na o we wa dekan, unu we wa dekan. Any no ma ya be area ya aguma. Everything no way about the can it now where they can only wait here because of money. You are just too money conscious for no reason. You are just too money conscious for no reason. Even if you retire, like rest in peace, my daddy. Oh, Mattia Bonne, only the other adobo ye you babet ye the other na. Or ye the other na ye come no fair way. Or ye the other na come when no rest in peace. Or yet the Ohono na rest in peace. I come on when you go work. You go to work. Wow, my. What are you doing here? I go have my everything when I'm doing with him. You go to work. What are you talking about? What's the other me every time? Almost to do cause traffic in the social media do have way. Me ba ne, isu wa ne. Inya gbovo. Anybody I love Diana do tell matter my way. Be matter no we tanu wetin ya gbovo we. Be careful, my sister. You are just full of trouble. And when wale luwe nya kuboko we. Adu eka we hama wo wokpa go aguma. Eka we hama we wokpa go aguma. Wokpa go aguma. But ema wage we what is the need? The ahe go we agwa na we ya uzakisari. You know? What's your name? I respond to you most times. Okay, a pa do we phone no me jegbeji nania. Why get rest in peace? Must you carry trouble? Must you carry trouble to go and disturb this man in the expectation in a more you must make in a bay my la no geken? Who must so ya why you disturb because of a visual move? Be careful, my sister. I advise in the only one you know. Woman afeko young my yawe at what bogioma a kawe imine. At what bogioma a kawe imine. O denoi kewe kogiomba eriyo wano, and every day you begin to no matter what no kewe. Be careful, wise. Ubu wise ka boran owa. Heroi kewe ke no agiomba tuoike. Very soon, women are when Nijore mi here no we are me on soni. E matter when it's time away. Umana when Umana ko gbo we breaking wa pinkin ana wo maro pa ije na we. O ma la dian ye do gwegun wa mi gwegwe gugun a. Me we gugun a. Me. Awe. Be very careful. Be very careful. Or too much in egbe. Oni na ga agoni. Ma ya fefe ni ware social media presenter wate wa gwankere wate televa wa mi ekengwa ya we me ona kete mo pa ekengwa ya we me obi chief making ya me pa ne bia down you no de obi chief making ya me ni me gwaje na daddy me no ne ya ma ya ni ware palace daddy wa ya wa hin ane me gbabu nu wa agun wani wa me daddy me on sheke bo mama la wo Emi no see no do lose respect we. Emi ati ya wari ya verse panu. O ma keke o ni lose respect we. U bege gba me na asi no. Wa hia gun a. Me no man ya sabu nse. Emu han ya gun a. We mi ropa. Wo we that dog imagine we bona. Unu o ya gun on the social media. O gun agbori recognition gbe oko enu. Yes, because our gun o we gbe. Mama Shekebo one of Germany. Na zuna de turtle. O ma keke no alwe huwe no awo here. O hen again na temonika o mo engbi. O hin ya mo egbu gwale saga, yes, I understand. But eneni wa enwo ti gun ajo no gun ya gun. Gun ajo. Because ugme so na gun ya hin ya ni do ma no gun ya dia no ri ya ti we mi ropa na. Wo setting wo onu ya gun na. Onu o ja gun because wo weweje. Ya be junu ya gun mo do kalo be ni gbe ya gbe ya be. We have mu ene ti o we kalo e ri o se gbe da le yo na. O gbe da le yo am e we bo ma se na mi gbe wo da ya o ge gba gbe da gbe. Atu gba ma tu gbe ari da ene gbe. I pay her strength in the me no say ngbe na do are social media. Ege no a onu do ya o we na mi egu ma gbe ni. Ugbe so do anwe kan ne egu egboto. Ege no a onu do ya o we na mi egu me bi wa ge o ho ma mo ri respect no na. O do anwe kan ne egu egboto. Ubege no time no denia who dey hypocrite. It's very true. O my time any ma we dey better on egin ye we be down wait correct yin. O say no na kama we hypocrite to him, which is very true. Even the bege be gbogbo long time yin better mo we ni. Hypocrite no wa wu hin. Mama one Germany e choke ball Germany. Who time matter? Any as you no be no kake no yata wala dian. Who time? Wa when they wa go e yo go ere go e yo go ere go e yo go ero ha mu o ha go we go ma no agu gwan. E ya be anywhere. Ha? E da do go supermarket e be we bonani ya. Ama pari e ba e no ma. Ona ari supermarket am we vagin o, not ba ahia we vagin o. Oh yeah, we shopping la wa. Ama pa si di we na. Already e we bona I see dey gbevu we. Ha? O ha wa mu eje mama wa Germany. Why am wa la wa fo gun aye ni so no ma keke no gun anji. Because woman na gun anji o be no keke wa gun we gbe me wa dey we since but we o ba be yan na. O wa temi so tade no. O me yeso no ase wa gbe wa se ba. O ka here no se wa we gbe. O ka here no se wa we gbe. O ka here no se wa we gbe. O ha amu we. O wa go wet gun. Amana be ni meje mi emi na do ma concern on do na do amu do la dian we. If do people. Me de gun anji na social media me meje presenter here na top no wa ke tale ne gbuwa me gun ayo there. No wa ke tale ne gbuwa yi gun anji because who wa ni hin na that one na personal this thing. O ma kan aropa. O wa ni hin wa ke ma na asile gbuwa ke ko wa sile la na Abuja. Wa hoye la dian be abiaka na no that one is for you people problem. Why you can that always way. Ni swipe comment ni ga dere comment ni tell me ni ata. Why can that always way? O we can no ho wa dey. O wa ni hin problem ru ni. But ma bele no do kan already donate no ru way. O ka ke ni edo idijin, edo people guanji. Yes. O ka ke ni edo people guanji. O ka ke ni edo people guanji. We not do complain again mama Shekebo one of Germany again no do tago matter say. We me again no we be tago matter say. Ona say me na kam why we wa ran o a. And then we ma be ta say ni a. a to agbogioma ado kawe ni ne we ya le lijore we te onu we ruwa jore nu ruwa ke problem wa fe ko be nu we ruwa ya o we wa fe ko we ruwa ya o ne nu wa ya ruwa ma fe problem wa fe ko because wa onu do ruwa ma fe problem but before you know it we dey yetin before money e ya kasi nu wa gbon na ni ma beg here u dey yetin before money u dey yetin before money there is one thing in this life in no man if you with here. Leave it or no, he's already made a mistake. Maya beggar the social media now. A mistake he not make, or he don't have beg you one or a mistake of error on is already making on social media now. The only mistake in is already make of you no you one or finish. What berani? A mistake here no say not a mistake. Or bonaya bobohan, or bariman wakani, rabahimani, or him eh no barely maya. What's the one of me? Oh here, but ben here. What here how we walking where? Oh him where declare man, you walking out when no, a baben here. Because my fe ye ma yakin. E ne gian. Fe ko push jore, fe ko push na mi ewu nu ka we yin ne. On your why message be nu. Because wa push egbe wa ka we yin ne is very obvious. Who do ka we yin ne wa push egbe? Who ka we yin ne? Because women respect okpa be gbe, women wo bo, women be ni we e mi nu awe ya mi fa, nu ya. We every time ya ta even na mi accident. All right. Even turn on a be yet me accident no kede. Where ada me accident no call where day. Abio e ga so. Una gwegun, ana pa gwegun, u do gun yegun, wana gun yegun e yo. Gba kun ye gi mu accident ri mu na no gwegun na. O se una zie gbe na accident ni ye we no keke. Wana do asan re o do complain, u do ami u gwegun, na pa gwegun, u do afi pegun me. Na pa u do afi pegun me. Why? E what ye? Ati akwani kwani ni a. E ye do ya fe egbe no ta. Uwe la jan do ne do hiata. Iye do wa do ansa me o. Wa do ri nwanyi me. Ene ni tana ota we wa no. Ofu ishota gele no. Le da do re yin aya ri nwanyi nu. Yin aya ri nu e. O ye do no re ma na ala ti ri nwanyi nu e no e. No pa no re ma ala ti ri nwanyi nu e no e. Be very careful because you see ko hin ba ne. Ko ikero ike. Ge we go hin ba. Eni ati no igba ko wo kan yo ba ye tun yin but we dey I don't know why you are not seeing it. Ignorant bungbe. Ignorant bugbe. Ora o mi arwa we. Ona ga o khoro we. Ka mi ani azu obo be kun igo emi ya. In arwa we gbegbe. You understand? They are pushing you more than gauge. In arwa we gbegbe. E mata ma we na etin Monica. Ma be a video nu ja uni. Ota nu no e ota down. But the right time in ya not and because someone who ma I kiyo e ka ma we rest in peace. Rest in peace ota. They took a me about ragmo with the no make na not tani. Even as such, any young no come any young wo come here, enter. Oh, we or bring be my sister, and son bunuji, or bring boss her wegby. Or see no more duga, more time, more one. You are losing your reputation every day. Imagine no jawe we me reputation. I don't know. Imagine no so na bego there. We someone we told me we get now. We don't must say now. Every man. Oh, we are told me, wow, gabu. Ume. Any ya na woman, me, no man, they can. Utobo we fie problem. Utobo we fie problem. Problem we wa we jini. Wo wa ya call ya le different place. Ne ma ro we ji wo ma 7 ya. Nutobo we deleji ori bunse. O bunse Monica. Ki reve wa la nu ye negbuwe. Orion we ma so ni de gba be wa la nu ye negbuwe na babi ko. You are so peaceless. C'est peace do et mon baby. Et voilà re problem. O ma no we reason ya mwe wala ho ma no pa ya mo rene. We mu bagwe. You are just full of problem. If no ya do reply out you ni o if no ya me ya teme na we na because of no how we if ota we no Who can't do la diana no how we makame o magume gwa. Already we go be do hin. E ma ya no ki ye do me right na ya reply we. Abi o ma no ta na ye almost me nwanye. E nwanye no ro na hina. One na him so I get that way or no do how we what's so not do answer me what's so not do one can go we go if you do ya fair we good one or you do ya fair no be go ya do ye hin e can do ya we o me rat na ya reply we without no problem e no na le zoro pa no ave gujo abi we no na le zoro pa no agujo e ga yo la sincere ya ne ruwa we are when no we whatever no tan yan tell no heke okay we kai me no we ya gweza ma no repeating wa mi e wona nia tell me dem no me e bo a YouTube very a recognition more than social media. We in a way, ni ati ege. Imagine ya zedo ni ya so ya we konte no ya we muhi. It's very very painful. It's very very painful. We can o wa de no ya we wa muhi in the social media na. If not, my sister, we no feel werie. U ba jore no we wa la ruahiana e ko ruwa e. U mana fe ko ruwa jore. We to bu we na jore se we 100%. Is jore o level no kwa no. On da many on don't make the mistake o level no. Anybody know if I'm a man with one man get around every time you say, who you marry? That's the truth. Or I tell la diano pa ti do la diano how we jure brainwash. I mean, no can you do it? Or man la diano total no he's just saying where negbe around where. You know how many people look up to her because of negbe around where nike kanotane. No junu ya tala dian. That is something. That is something. Me man like ivo doa. I man like ave mantan. Ime hugwe na hivo duwa. I don't know. Eri ya rewe. A verse no where ye nebo kari ye negbu ene. Ari ye negbu one day. A verse ne ikatama we there one need that verse na say. Gele one need dey say. O ma be. One need dey say. E mama sheke bonani and we do complain. Na we wo guteme no tani. Ati u beg any hypocrite no bandora no. Now e ban we do ranu e mama sheke bo hypocrite no we odo atale me no tana ge gwa gun ene no ladian no e magba, which is you know it. Woman no keke na allergy e ko ho na o wa we bi tan wari e ma we because work out the time akwa we nu na e ma ubega e mama sheke bo ubega e ga wa gun ugegbe ubega e mama no weri e wo this year e ke no keke nu ana gbe oti anori ugbe ubega e bola dian do kama we ni a hypocrite no kwa ge wi ofu she me no tani me nyeri tawari stampire ina wa stamp e gba uvion gbeji e me no wa tani e matata. Even me what they for all this because me down the my ya reason ewe ni give no mama ya gun aye ni give no ya reason e dey me gbabu no we do ma gun no I reason you every time wa gun a but e me no tatwen what better we politics na bege we campaign say yes we no gba ni wa ke ya fe and e saga gun aji me ma be mi on pa we mo bo we social media mama shekebo ima be yon pa nu as long as o han gie o ma we tem atabe no yakek la dian wa ha we daddy me no wa mujwe ekmene gbugwe we mugboto ni wa do anya we daddy me we gugun a daddy me we gugun a we hi wo ba se ni ya fe egbe ni e ma ya fe ni wa ru we gba ni wa daddy we a gbugwa we me o ona wa la dian we daddy yin wa ni tie daddy wa ni gbabu nu wa gbe so mi age so opoko nya gbe babo tene ne present awon yen kin o oga lu elu ame nya gbeva oti e me gbabe uwe gwa ni ana wa bi me uwe gwa ni ke gwa ya hwe me obi egwa uwa idu aha we guys we wana mo wa no kwa gboto ye shame and disgrace wa ye no wa no kwa a shame enye hwe no kwa wo ware no wa no kwa wo ne wo do aha we ma ya fe ni kwa ko wa no kwa de ma wa lo aba ni no kwa wa ro bo no pa bo do wa le go wa no kwa ge no we go wa le ku egmina o si wa na do ha o si wa na jebu o si wa na disgrace egbu wa bo salo o mo ti o ge mi ame baba o si wa na disgrace egbu wa o mo so I just dey look now say which kind people be all this one ba they na me kun na ba ke ye na re imami eyan pa ya ho wa na ya filu wa kwa bi kun pa una just deserve we person you just use trailer take park awa you waji wo wa pa wa segbe stage ni ni a stage of pana ina take gbe se yo ma ba gbe yo ma we afi wa ye kun pa o wa waje na I'm telling you awa afi waje kun pa cause wa ni nwa una no get sense I dey tell una not say na insult wa ni nwa ene wata e la ho wa ma ye be wata la ho pa kwa gun na ene wata la ho mo wa eso we ya o presenter ya medan yo social media na me awa reso wa ru legbera God for be battle sa we na pon ye speed ya gbera e presenter awa gun ate be gbo ya ho me obi egwa enu wa be e gba di me o ma ika wo be yo ni no wa me te obi pa me fi enu wa me na obi pa me na e ko ke gwa me wa me na are tu hia o ti je me ya ga hin o ti ra me o ti je me ya hin e me gba wo wa ya fe ni wa mo ti ra mo ti je we ne palace. Why are you people disgracing us? Have a palace people what's one disgracing ma one palace people one wa hare wa hin what's one do aye palace ya duro we bo o me bi go ni ya kebari enu wa no na wa me every time wa onu wa do asie e bini palace we la dian social media every time wa ya see o we la dian o me go ni ya pay no ma no see come and no see ke baba se ya o me go na riene ekwekwe mwa o me go na riene ma no sike baba se a ikata mwa oni ala mere de gbene me webo ajowa ave detenire webo na ekwe wai wado ahin disgrace o ma se no retire mo na retire e shame disgrace o me mani gbada de ni rototo na mani bi bieka ni eda de social media wa wi bieka ma here my wa look here wa gi ma ya san trash one every time wa gi ma ya san bol one san wa look here because wana we any ka social media wa na most of wa ijore ni respect no wa ime because of dolebu no me like have dolebu e ma ta wata mu wana ilaki dolebu ilaki maneto tanya iya ya you nu ya sie problem gema e mani ma sie problem giyan. I like people where they respect themselves. I like people where they respect themselves. Abo pokiti or pokiti e mumu abo ironi hua abe obulubulu abe mana sentino nwe wa ya fi awala dia social media obi agua mehin na apa wa be gun no do me no ma be ma oni wa be gun no de dati me no ni ayan koko me wala wo wala wa e bu wa me osu wana do ariye hoje palace I mean emagmo intelligent people ni kedore emagmo wa ginya de time no wiya okay e ginya do to tanya sike royal blood be no wa ya tai wa sike royal blood wani wa sike royal blood no we ru wa degbe de mi kenere ru wa degbe le ru wa degbe o me salary ni ya pay nu wa abi so me go ni ya pay nu wa no wa ya disgrace ni ma o me go ni ya pay nu wa no wa ya disgrace ni ma wala wa ma be ihoro pa ma ki yo ni bia ma ki yo ni ya ni ye do ya complain il y a do we who copy you more than 10,000 people more than 1,000 people sorry to say no wa yo ye do no we ni ye do ya o but wetin ya wa hu ke book e ya yun ma e ma na haga ri e o me gene den ya me hu ya ni yo ma why is all this now? What are you people doing? I want to book e ya yun ma agwa e ma ni ye do ha ni ya o me before e bian give e hin ye do why you book here on social media ba be so wala dan wa to gwan me no wata wa gwa gwan me no wata make sense wa gwa gwan most of na wa ya wa gwa gwan wa wu gwe ha wa we wa gwa gwan most of you people na no sabi talk wala wa pe gbu wa ju wa anytime ko ba wala tan che me daddy me eri me e daddy me wa no mo engwa ni yes okay ken gwa na ya ke me gwa ya na wa yi ne ken gwa ya howe wala wo wa je keke ni huenya me ma can understand wa make kana wa ye e kan wewu e kenkekan e kenoroto e kin ba e ken ha e kuze bubu kekan ya huwe ma wa le don wen so wa what's happening to you people what is happening to you people every time the thing say na only una sabi talk me say we na ahuwa e Monica when waru go wasio bi gbovara every time umo so onu mo topic le de ko mo re topic ni ya when ya gba be na me wa ke gbo wa ke there I know they talk but it not concern me then na me gudo you know what I we wado ho ni me yi edo okay e nwa ni ohime na hinu we sis we ni bi edo ya ladian ota we no e answer hime na hin to you or hime ne rita no bi edo ni sese my own personal answer to you now is because ati ahwani what we na do hwani we na do ntama we na do ye nwan ye nwe ige obiya ni keke be ban ya abi before now my own nwan ye to you now is no work we ni ya no we social media o mo bia ba no we tie daddy no we do there o ye me mo hopa no we tie mommy there iya je woke oni enwan ye ohi metozu iya ni oju weke din oga e maru won pa bo bi e do no we tie daddy de no ke wo ku we social media ge ko we ge ireva we mai already mai bega e do eti o ma do pa daddy Ime ye bege do e ti o ma ro pa mommy no ke gbugogu with social media. But why e go ma ro no eti e daddy. Why e go ma e ro no eti e mommy. Inya ji we ke ya. Abo me wa me ma understand my area jan. When make na journey ja only nwan ye ogugwe. Because we when e do ya do are nwan ye no go ta we no. So otani e na hin. E ma ya no we eti e daddy no we ke we me social media. Kake me ma ya no we eti e mommy no we ke we social media. E yazu weke nu we yazi badan we ga aze ya. De yaje weke Ige tu onu wari yogo ni ya bezi we no ma ya hin. Enya jewe ke onu wari yogo ni ya bezi we ohwo ba ya hin. Ube yenwe ijore wa respect obia na na ke yasinwa. She said do we ofo. A musician yaka yasinwa ne those days. Do we ofo baba no be today. Eni ya fefe wa gbelu nuju wa silo da social media wa ya me viewer. Itamu wa o mama na gwa gwali go se igo gwalo. Yes, o mama na gwali go se igo gwalo e bagmonament ye. O no magwali go say go gwala ni go agwala when ati we money misroad. Ati we mumu. Because me I never even see the money. My sister, ugmeso ya design nu we deki. Isa nu we gwale ke ni na kion isa no fit nu we nu ya ade nu ya akwe. Ya gwale ke na design nu we. You are giving yourself problem. Or that from where we gwala ne, if we a problem here for no reason, they don't deserve it. Eh? They don't deserve it. You are just a troublemaker for no reason. Eh? O ma no ila dian we ni ye do tema tama we be no je. Wa la dian u do aha we. When I to make my shut up. Me no juga. Me no juga. Me no ga. U wane u kwa gbon nwanse we. O gahi. My sister u me nwe. You don't just get sense at all. Where them I don't know what happened to you. Then when we are where they are going, go and get a contract and go to job and work your ass out and stop misbehaving and doing rubbish. Eh? And stop misbehaving and doing rubbish. Emi ya fefe wa onu wa amunu jinu ata social media. E chief ye do we fo. Otan we don't know any what ota when e make na bege gboje. E ga bege gbo bi so numa ese. You are just seeing yourself in the middle of nowhere. Eh? You are so irritating when you are doing some stuff. Very, very irritating. You don't even make sense when you are doing some stuff. You are so out of point. You are so nonsensical. You don't make sense at all. You are so nonsensical. You are so nonsensical. You don't make sense at all. You don't even make sense to, I don't know. A reason to see any see controversy with social media every time. I know you are looking for attention. Oh, I don't seek attention. Say, so way. Emma go work baba no wetin ya me view. Ya me view. Ya go attention, but what go attention say? Attention ya ni ma go alo ke ni ya le ju ga go ale ya hian. Attention ya ni ma go alo ke ni ya le ju ga le go ale ya. So te u se go attention na go ale se peti on yimi no roto na ma emu yi lo ye. U ge se go attention na go ale le peti on yimi ki ya le lo yimi jo wa le lidin pa. Una agwa attention na agwa left you work petting yimi na ma emujidin. Attention seeking where is just too much. E she said do we for iwa. Ijore matie bone. E mi no time ewe rest in peace daddy. Wo hi joro sa ba he ohion ba. Wo he ohion ba. They no wa hion wena. Ge we ohion ba heroic you are very close. Then ya na ge we ohion ba twin. Woman restrict step iwe. I want social media keep a video now. Keep it very well. I don't wish you bad. You might wish you were bad. We are doing this joking. But I want you to know that ge we go nyomba. A to agbohyoma akawe yimine. Heroic we people we man retreat step we. Abi yeso no ya agbelu no waji. Heroic ban wa rede be nyomba ban. Ege ni ebo ya be do ahama we ege ni jore ladian do yokpo yo do yokpo no kwa ya ge nu. Me salt and water ministry one every time ya tamuwa. To deny you're able to one like him no. I love it. He like it all level. He like how man be maran. Me no ha my way big around. Cause woman for me the way na ye mi ha. Woman am ye problem the way na ye problem ha. Anybody no me on the na me problem na me on the god ne. On your magnum. Anybody no man you hold that person at high esteem. A noisy we wa make u pagolo gbe. U pagolo we pe social media bugbe. Chogo. Everything wa upagolo no pe make a noise by you are making the biggest noise at times. When so inezi ni odo here eni ya fe but a noise when in most cases you go and use it to include them and wo wa ni ma seke nuje e ga ni bi I am with torchlight down we ni anaba a family am with torchlight down we na anaba we ya jegwe e gbigwe egwo we na gbe every time we are ya gbigwe a u gbigwe the tin na for gbigbo no pa ya for gbigbo. This is just an advice. It's just an advice. I don't mean bad for you, my dear. Iwe saga, I'm not a saga person. And if I want to do saga, I do a saga ni miau. No one why you're go na. You go ni miau where you want. So I don't need those kind of money. So I go me like no mommy. Osi eni na lagodo. Abwa gume la moto no mo me. You see? Imame like babaga ni ave get rubbish ni get nonsense ni na total. I don't like it. I don't know why you are liking it. You are just giving yourself problem and headache, heartache, unnecessary drama for no reason. Again, why you gbewe for anu ye motesi ari bread. We are still near for no reason because you want to make money on social media. What kind of nonsense is that? Eh? Mama unshakable. Mama unshakable. Please. Please, mama. E no man hu. Okwa back where we woro. La wo go. Ma be ga me emi ya ngwata gme so. Ogwa dele yo but ogwa isegbeke na na do atemata na you are very afraid of some people ni me ma be get away even na. I don't know why you are afraid of. Then you dey anywhere. E ma na dey be no ma wateme no ata no la wo si anu gi atore na. I don't know ya gun. That don't nya no atore no we do to we. Egbugwa we me. I don't know why you are behaving like that. So kwa back mama shake boy gala dian. Even we ba uni ga iwo ni. You na say my daddy, daddy me we wa mu me na age na ave na hin. What is all this so kwa ba be ana? O kwa ba be ni ana. O wa do na my daddy. Monica, egbe me daddy gwa. Monica, egbe me daddy gwa. Ije la ore in video. O kwa ba hun. E no my your boy sant ofin be o ya e san yotori. O no my ofin be o ye be o iri o ya e san anu wa rap o ye gbo yori fo. Anyway, why every time one boy ya ja listen. What was all that? So la wo that is my message this morning to who it may concern. May the soul of Obasogi of Benin Kingdom rest in peace. Wa say and wa get rest for too much igbe. Wa get rest. Wa get the social media. Ke mani veru we bie bini do aye different things in yala den wa e wo hin. If you want to talk on social media, bring out your face and talk. Eri aya won magun. Wa ri face we la tun gwan we bege mani gun. Aye ti hele yin orun agawa o. Aye ge mi ati e no. Aye do magun no. Aye de e monkey no. People must just know who is talking. Anyway, wa la den we aru we bie ati e no tani o ta say egene ruwe na fija de ruwe wu ne we no ruwe bie no ha gota se egene na mwe ruwe didin we na won pa no pe hia de picture ila bia social media o tale rubbish no concern we na do not have it. Will you be happy? Uga like why ye mi we gbege u take me so ka ya we gbege ne because we man ya we gbege we end me ni do ma dem ma any ya fe ya gwa le view we me ri ma ya de social media manager ya gwa le 10,000 view every day ya gboko gi we so ya inutia every time ya tamuwa a view e log on na me wa so atale rubbish wa atale wa gboko gi we every time igba wa dele ye me do agewe eri ya ge ma that is it but me man like e o se ni na we e de view already was one we na view igbo that una give make sense a view igba ya we na make me my sister Monica one talent let me tell you you can we one the truth of the matters are one talent Monica a talent gele wa go we personally a talent where a talent na ya present a show you can present show you can analyze show better you there thing for no reason that thing for no reason me talent na ya we show o no time you man die talent we go social media no we go na ni on oge no one it's a lying beast one talent but a talent way you attach it to trouble every time. Why attach it to trouble? You be killing yourself and your reputation for no reason. If I no make any ajubij we ho, wa lie so yan do le kon ajubij we ho for no reason. You see now, of which is not good. What take wa lie so am we ya ga ho no, we respect you na how we get na me talent. That e je video, na ite yare we ya ga na re e ho no ni na re ho ni ya do ajubij we ho. O my the boy ni how work agbe no mama ajubi ajajin yan o. So for no reason, don't behave like that again. Woman needs it. You don't need it. You can present topic. I use a topic. Try to work more on your talent. I use a topic in your talent way. A talent way, and you begin to work on it. You have it. You have worked on it. Yes. Build it and use it very well. Don't go every time and start dragging yourself to do this stupid. You are not becoming so stupid for no reason. It's not good. I'm a person like you. We are doing it. Ima gwegun. Oma paro no gwegun. Already ma ya fe ni mu an we ni mama shake boje ni no wa mu hu gwedo aha ni we Monica ti gbodi anu ruwe ti tama we give nu wu ma if you ya verse no we wo wa na dey obi gare toilet na lefu we ni verse we no gbasa no wa ma gbe hin so our verse we is due on social media. You need to get some verse on social media. or who one a social media presenter or who one every other person or bad like I will not come and answer you. Igwan often wa came and say like buwala na wokabwa I know talk put but if not jam enguanjo ni we be repeat e we ni vie do ya ladun water no ni vie do ya ladin anu ya do ye nwan ye no nda ota we no na and ota na we ni de nwan so gbama be ni mejo vie do me be kin so e ba me na ladin e me na me right na ya ye nwan ye je me no wetani e ma be no be ho yin ho e ge o vie do ye be kin ona e go vie do ye kin ona do are nwan ni ene mo ha we o because e ma me ne be recharge ogo me ye no ma me mege na muhom me abeg rubbish ware recognize it we nonsense na him mege na mege e rubbish yi mege bu we man do understand ya beg nonsense recognize and me nu wo ma me ke no say de kenije a reason me nuta emi so okay ladin a we a reason ya total game e push we total o when we emi na na ata na nya do na here you are just disgracing. I don't know. Please stop. I got TV yedo. Wa hian gu agba me na wa hian ta got TV yedo ya wa do labian to answer na o ma hu ne. Bye bye. Ha gita ma ngira gmo pa ya gmo re a jojo ma no hu we court of justice ro pa. O ta ro pa ro na no we kini gba ma no hi de yo to ne. E no dey this life. O ma de yo to ne tag arrest. So we are begging go ma de yo to ne gin arrest. You understand? I got look for necessary attention seeking attitude the way. It's thinking and it's too much. You seek unnecessary attention for nothing. And the people who are behind you, people who give you advice. If you have a mommy where that's the way like social media so man don't answer where we wanna we not me. For what? That was for one year. I wear very only. So if you want to make talk, make sure you can have a mommy with daddy way. Yan neya women yatana bear. I mean here now we have a book of you warrior na make sense. Gwale mi na we go. U ka ya re u kope de man no ja we line. I mean na mi go ya fe lao. If you know why I am go that way, woman is no more necessary this and the worst part of it all. To agbogion man who way we wauna. Kin we donat to a kia to agbogion man. Aka way mean. So make sure woman to agbogion when we making aka way mean. On any no concern what we presenter. Or ya concern no one who concern the chief in regwe. Next time don't do it again. All right? No ka wo ya fe uma yeti edigwe ya we edigwe yo ma edigwe yo fo wa we gbe wa we do si obi do wa we do sigbo wara. Wa baba o.